Hey there, Ring Doorbell users. Welcome back to Smarthome. Today, we've got an interesting topic to discuss, the mysterious flashing blue light on your Ring doorbell. If you've ever wondered what it means or why it's happening, you're in the right place. Stick around as we unravel the secrets behind that pulsating blue glow. So, you've noticed your Ring doorbell flashing a blue light, and you're probably wondering why. Well, there are a few reasons why your device might be exhibiting this behavior. Let's break it down. Reason 1. Establishing connection. One common reason is that your Ring doorbell is trying to establish a connection. The flashing blue light indicates that it's in the process of connecting to your Wi-Fi network. This is normal behavior, especially if you've recently set up your device or if there have been changes to your Wi-Fi settings. Reason 2. Software updates. Another reason for the flashing blue light could be that your Ring doorbell is receiving a software update. Just like your smartphone or computer, Ring devices periodically receive updates to improve performance, add new features, and enhance security. During these updates, the blue light may flash to indicate the installation process. Reason 3. Notification or mode change. Additionally, the blue light may flash to notify you of a specific event or mode change. For example, if you have enabled motion detection or altered your device's settings, the flashing blue light could be a visual cue to inform you about these changes. Troubleshooting tips. Now, if the flashing blue light persists and you're facing issues, here are a few troubleshooting tips to consider. First, check your Wi-Fi connection and ensure that it's stable. A weak or intermittent connection could lead to connectivity problems. Secondly, make sure that your Ring app is up to date. An outdated app version might not sync properly with your device. And finally, if the issue persists, don't hesitate to reach out to Ring customer support for personalized assistance. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks. The mystery behind your Ring doorbell's flashing blue light. Whether it's establishing a connection, updating software, or signaling a change in settings, understanding these reasons can help you troubleshoot and enjoy a seamless experience with your Ring device. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments if you've experienced the flashing blue light on your Ring doorbell. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.